Hi there, welcome back to Our Small Home Life. Today I actually want to do a really quick review on our new fire pit. This is the Solo Stove. So my husband and I have been researching the Solo Stove for a couple years now. Actually back when they did a Kickstarter, I think they did one in 2018 as they were looking to expand. We've been wanting to jump on it and we just hadn't because we couldn't commit to what type of fire pit that we wanted. And we are coming up on our 10-year anniversary, and I decided to surprise my husband with the Solo Stove, the Bonfire, which is perfect for the backyard. And so I'm going to show you a couple clips from last night when we got it. We opened it right up, used it last night, had a really great family time in our backyard. So why don't we take a quick look at some of those clips. So as you can see, setup was really easy. It was 3 pieces that came, and we got the kit that had the base. I really liked the idea of it being up and elevated a little bit. We are gonna do some sort of landscaping here for the fire pit as well, but we had this leftover bluestone that was actually on our countertops before we renovated that we thought was a really great choice for right now. The base keeps it up, and the base actually doesn't get hot at all, so you could put it on a deck if you wanted to as well. And last night it rained, so we had a really great first night of seeing how well it held up with the cover. Let me take this off for you just so you can see. So from the first night, so it's starting to rain right now, you can see it does already start to do sort of that discoloration, but that's normal. If you are anything like me, it bothered me at first because it's something that you just spent some money on and it's so beautiful. And then it started to discolor, but it actually doesn't look too bad. Let me actually take you quick to the inside, have you take a look at that. See for the first use wear that it definitely changes and gets rid of that beautiful stainless color, but it still has this really rich, really beautiful worn coloring that I think is going to look really nice over time, and I'm really excited to spend more time out here in our backyard as we start to do a little bit of landscaping in our fire pit area. One thing that I did notice as well, or not notice, that I want to really make sure people know is, so the ring right now is inside or upside down. When you are using this, you want to take this ring, turn it around so that it's going to be shaped sort of up like this. okay? The other thing that you want to be aware of is do not put your wood any higher than this. If you do, it's going to get a little bit too heavy, a little bit too roaring of a fire, and keeping it below will also help with the smoke. Something that you'll see that we did is actually, this next clip here is we have our little poker stick, and you can tell that when it's out of the Solo Stove, there's actually a lot of smoke, and then when you put it in, the airflow really helps to make sure that there's not a lot of smoke coming from it, which we thought was really neat. All in all, we're pretty happy with it. It has only been used one time. We will do an update as well as we start to use it a little bit more. And like I said, it is our anniversary gift, but I gave it to my husband almost a month early because we are home a lot more right now, as most people are, and I wanted to be able to enjoy it as much as possible as a family outside. These nice warm summer nights coming up, it's a perfect time to enjoy the fire. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below and I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button as we do sort of share some more of the stuff that we do bring into our home. Also, YouTube thinks you will like this coming video. I do too, so make sure you check that one out and we will see you guys next time on Our Small Home Life. Bye.